Hello. Yeah.
Hi everyone, this is part 2 of the do-it-yourself Fizzy bath bombs. We have let them sit overnight, so it's been about 24 hours or a little less. And we gently just kind of want to pull them away from the side. And you gently pull them away from the sides, and what we're hoping is that they come out looking like these flowers. So let's see how this is. Oh, I didn't introduce my co-stars. So my co-stars tonight are Miss Barbara and Miss Zoe.
This is the first one.
Oh my gosh, let me see. It came out looking just like it. Oh, except for that little piece right there. That's okay. We can, look, now it's perfect. Look at that.
I'm going to do this one because I really like it. Oh, wait. So it's the same thing.
Ah, gentle. Pull away from the side.
Same. This one.
Yeah, very nice. All right, cool. So we have a bowl of water here, and we're going to show you how they fizz.
They all come out perfect. This is the last one.
And they smell really, really good.
They don't tear out. Of course they do.
doTERRA, of course they do. I don't know about where you guys are at, but we're in Florida, and it is freezing. Like you're saying, it's going to snow in Florida.
Yay.
Okay, so these came out looking exactly like these flowers, and they're hard, very hard, and so it took about 24 hours for them to harden. Not sure if you can see them or not, but I want to show you how they fizz because I don't know either.
Mommy, can I drop them?
Who wants to drop one in?
Me.
Like Zoe. And look at that.
Fizzing.
Can you hear that? That is so cool.
Even the lavender's floating.
That is so cool. Look at that. Super cool.
It's like
So,
bubbles.
super easy to do, except you have to let them sit overnight. But once they do, they're hard, and they're so pretty. I mean, look at that. So pretty. So that's one of the flowers. Here's another one of the flowers. And if you remember the little pepper-looking things, that's actually fresh lavender herb that we have in here. So yeah, look at that. And so that's what it would do to your lovely bath water. Isn't that awesome?
Great. It was colored water if you colored it.
Yes, we could have added like a little purple natural coloring, and that could have added that. But you know, lavender has so many therapeutic purposes. It's very soothing. It's great for the skin. It's very calming. It smells good. It's great for your mood, enhancing your mood and whatnot. So this is just one of the many things you can do with your essential oils and being creative. So have a nice evening, and we'll talk to you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.